Effects of human activities on the environment. Human activities have a high impact on the environment. Here, let's see two environmental problems in detail. First, the ozone layer depletion. You might have seen newspaper reports which talk about ozone layer depletion. Let's try to understand what is ozone layer depletion. First, let us see what is an ozone. Ozone is a molecule of oxygen formed by 3 atoms of oxygen instead of 2 atoms, as in the common form. At ground level, that is close to Earth's surface, it is called a pollutant and is poisonous. However, it occurs naturally in the Earth's stratosphere and it performs a very important function. It protects the Earth from the harmful ultraviolet rays which otherwise can cause damage to living organisms on Earth. In the stratosphere, UV radiation acts on molecular oxygen forming free oxygen atom. These atoms combine with molecular oxygen to form the ozone. However, this process is hampered in the presence of chlorofluorocarbons. CFC or chlorofluorocarbons are non-toxic, non-flammable chemicals containing atoms of carbon, chlorine and fluorine. They are used in refrigerators, air conditioners, aerosol sprays, etc. CFCs released into the atmosphere due to human activities accumulate in the stratosphere. CFCs dissociate into chlorine atoms and radicals in the presence of UV radiation. The chlorine atoms thus produced reacts with oxygen to form chlorine monoxide and oxygen molecule. This leads to ozone depletion. The increased use of chlorofluorocarbons or CFCs has led to a decrease in the amount of ozone in the atmosphere from the 1980s. The UNEP forged an agreement to freeze CFC production at 1986 levels, and now it is mandatory for the manufacturing companies to manufacture CFC-free refrigerators. Let us now discuss about managing garbage. The food we eat is digested by enzymes present in the body. However, not all substances can be digested by enzymes present in our body. What happens if you by chance eat plastic? Your body cannot derive energy from plastic as enzymes present in the human body can break down only specific substances. That is, enzymes are very specific in nature. Materials like plastic cannot be broken down by the action of bacteria. Such materials are called non-biodegradable materials. They persist in the environment for a long time. On the other hand, substances are broken down by biological processes are said to be biodegradable. Examples of biodegradable substances are dead plants, animals, fruits, vegetables, flowers, papers, etc.